This is the fourth video to section 3.5. Let's say the graph of the function is given below. First, let's write down our key points. We'll notice we have a point at -4, -2, -2, -2, and we'll have a couple more. For the next function, we're asked to add 1 to the function, which means for all of our y values here, we're going to add 1 to them. So if we take -4, 2, we're going to add 1 to -2. We'll get -1. If we look at our point -2, -2, we're going to add 1 to the y value, and so on. So here are our new points. Let's plot them. Plotting our points, and now let's go ahead and sketch the graph. And here would be a sketch of our new graph. Let's take a look at the next function. We are asked to add 1. Now, let's remember, since it's inside that parenthesis, we need to take a side-to-side shift, but in the opposite direction. So this means we're going to subtract 1 from the x values. So once again, let's take a look at our key points. We had -4, -2, but now we're going to subtract 1 from our x value. So we'll have -5, 2. And we'll continue. The second point was -2, 2. Subtracting 1 from the x value will give us -3, -2. And we can continue with our second points to keep subtracting 1 from x. And if we go ahead and plot those points, and let me add my negative value right here. And we can go ahead and draw this graph. Let's move on to the next graph. We are asked to multiply the function by 2. Remember, this is a vertical stretch, so we are going to multiply every y value by 2. And when we multiply every y value by 2, let's take a look at our key points. We'll have that. We'll go ahead and plot those points. We've plotted our points, and we'll go ahead and draw the graph. Moving on to the next graph. Once again, we are doing a horizontal compression, which means we have to multiply each x value by 1/2. Once again, let's take our key points and let's multiply each x value by 1/2. Our points will look like this, and let's go ahead and plot these. And we'll have our graph. In the last graph, we are applying a negative to inside the parentheses. So this means we are going to multiply all of our x values by -1. If we take a look at our key points again, we're going to take the opposite value for all of our x values. We're going to go ahead and we're going to plot those points. Points will look like that, and then we will connect these coordinate points here. And that's the fourth video to section 3.5.